All right, 8:53, well, just turned 8:54. Still looking at that rain, the back edge of the solid shield of rain into eastern Kentucky. But behind it, as I've talked about all morning long, still some scattered showers or some occasional drizzle filling back in. But the steadier, heavier rain is on the way out. Here's what we have across central and portions of eastern Kentucky. Little batch of some showers going through Montgomery and Bath counties now. Another batch here as we go into portions of Garrett County, including very close to Lancaster and over toward Richmond even. And that even goes back over into portions of Mercer and Boyle County down into Lincoln. As we go a little farther to the south, you'll see that trend continues. A few showers moving just east of Whitley City over toward Corbin, just east of London and back over toward Liberty and Russell Springs. A few more showers. Now this is the steadier rain. It's moving out though. The back edge of it is east of West Liberty now, east of Jackson, going through Hazard. That's where the steadier, heavier rain is. Look at the rainfall amounts in the last 24 hours. Check this out. Frenchburg 6/10, 4/10 in West Liberty, 4/10 in Barberville. Lexington though, north and south side of town, 2/10 of an inch, 3/10 over toward Frankfort. Temperatures now though are in the upper 50s and low 60s for most, but spots in eastern Kentucky, deeper in some of the valleys, a little cooler in low to mid 50s. So there goes that batch of rain. Behind it again, watch here in the loop. A few of these little spottier showers or some drizzle filling back in. That likely is the trend as we go into this afternoon. See the widespread rain moves out. Here's a few showers here and there, but it's not widespread. There will be a lot of dry time. The wind will pick up. We'll see mainly cloudy skies last in the afternoon. A peak or two of some sun not out of the question across central Kentucky will be in the 60s. Late tonight, the back edge of the clouds really slows down here. I think it sets up very close to us in central Kentucky, meaning where we get the clearing, it's going to get cooler in the 40s, mainly upper 40s. Even some fog is going to be possible in those areas where clearing happens. Where the low-level clouds hang on, 50s for overnight lows and less likely to see any widespread fog. Another disturbance swings across the state late morning into early afternoon tomorrow. This likely brings some occasional drizzle or some scattered showers. This model doesn't show a lot, but there is that chance again. Then the wind really picks up tomorrow afternoon and temperatures drop later into the day into the 40s. And then here comes the cold, the next big thing, a cold blast of air coming our way into Thursday, and also the chance for snow showers, absolutely, and even at times mixed with a little bit of rain, and that chance takes us even into Thursday night and Friday. That actually likely could be our best chance for some snow showers, yes, to fly. And even a possibility, I wouldn't rule it out, some slushy snow accumulation on elevated surfaces. I'm talking about grass, rooftops, cars, patio furniture, things like that. Wouldn't be a lot, but it would be less than an inch, a possibility. We'll see if that trend happens, but I'm not going to rule that out. Winter, not far away.
Between the winter weather and the rain, I'm so jealous you guys have garages.